Hello, welcome back once again. In this very brief video, I'm going to just talk about what's going to happen this week. What are some of the things we need to work on? The first thing is that all students must log in to our Canvas site, and you must log in as soon as possible, because if you're not logged in by the end of this week, you will be dropped from this class. Secondly, once you log in on the Canvas site, I have posted various videos. I want you to watch those videos carefully and review some of those policies in those videos, and also could read the course syllabus. Course syllabus gives you an idea how many projects are due, how many exams are due, and so on and so forth. And also under Module 1, I would like you to post a hello message. There is a discussion forum, and simply go there and post a hello message, anything you'd like to post about yourself, and also check out and mark some of the due dates. We have a couple of projects and labs available on our Canvas site, and in order to use these labs and projects, you must purchase the book bundle. I want you to purchase the book bundle as soon as possible. This week no projects are due. However, we'll be working on a lab and a project which are due next week. All right, thank you very much. Bye bye.